He earned major awards because his idea solves a huge shipping problem: empty containers. Each year, moving empty containers creates massive waste, causing over 200 million tons of carbon emissions and costing $25 billion. His foldable container cuts empty trips by up to 37%, reducing fuel use and costs for ships and trucks. And now, let's talk about Ocado. This smart platform helps online grocers run faster and smarter. It uses robots, AI forecasting, and delivery tools to manage orders. In automated warehouses, robots move through a grid to pick and carry items quickly. Sakare is a one-seat helicopter trainer that lets students practice real flying skills safely on the ground. Used by flight schools and military programs, it helps pilots build control and confidence before moving to real helicopters. Pesa is an upgraded version of Poland's classic diesel-electric locomotive. It can reach 56 miles per hour and produce about 1,200 horsepower. The upgrade makes it more efficient, eco-friendly, reliable, and easier to operate daily. Nanoscribe develops microscale 3D printing technology using photon polymerization to build highly detailed structures. Its systems print as small as 100 nanometers. Jetovator is a water-powered flying bike that lets riders rise up to 30 feet, reach 25 miles per hour, dive underwater, and do tricks in the air. Connected to a personal watercraft by a high-pressure hose, it uses water thrust for lift and control. SkyOS is a smart flight system for planes and helicopters that makes flying safer. It uses AI, fly-by-wire controls, one stick, and touchscreens. It also monitors the aircraft in real time, helps helicopters prevent unsafe moves. At first, this automatic boot washer seems surprising, since many people didn't even know such a machine existed. But Chinese engineers came up with a smart solution. After a long day, workers' boots are often covered in dust and dirt. Napen trailers use a hydraulic moving floor system that unloads cargo automatically without tipping, making them ideal for low-clearance places like warehouses and tunnels. Built for bulk transport, the Napen Next carries over 77,000 pounds and offers many customization options. Owlet is an electric bike built for city streets and longer rides. It has a quiet motor, a removable battery, and an easy-to-read display. You can switch between 3 speed modes: 15, 20, or 30 miles per hour. Kinetics is a design system for making smart, flexible materials inspired by auxetics. Unlike normal materials, they widen when stretched. This helps them bend better, absorb impact, resist cracking, and spread stress more evenly. A wrist-mounted arrow launcher is a small device worn on the arm that fires tiny arrows. Different designs use various power sources and trigger methods, and some hold one shot while others carry several. Robot is a smart machine built to inspect dangerous places. It can roll on the ground or fly, making it useful where other robots cannot go. Its shell protects it in tight spaces. With changeable cameras and sensors, it fits different jobs and works almost independently, even in areas without GPS signals. One more surprising product from China is this painting robot. It helps painters by taking over the hardest, most time-consuming work. With 8 pattern options, easy button control, and resistance to dust and water, it works reliably on different surfaces and in different conditions. Brink Responder is a 911 drone built to help first responders act faster. It delivers live video, thermal imaging, and two-way audio and reliable remote operation. With long flight time, strong zoom, obstacle avoidance, emergency lights, and easy system integration, it helps teams gather critical information quickly and avoid unnecessary dispatches during emergencies. Want to nail manuals and bunny hops without wrecking yourself? Garage Bunny makes practice safer and way less awkward. It's the first bunny hop trainer for 20 to 29-inch bikes. I cracked up reading this right after I chose not to turn off the coffee machine, thinking my girlfriend would handle it when she got home. Meanwhile, athletes are using the Air Shield, a moving plastic barrier that cuts air resistance so sprinters can train at higher speeds. Sabertooth L is a last resort safety tool used to stop a dangerous train when a crash cannot be avoided. It weighs 64 pounds, fits many rail sizes, and works on wood or concrete ties at speeds up to 10 miles per hour. Jet Capsule is a powerful boat built for speed. It can reach 43 miles per hour and hits 36 miles per hour in only 12 seconds. It seats 13 people, including the pilot, and comes in single or dual engine versions. Next one is a massage robot that makes it easy to relax without awkward conversation. Its smart robotic arms scan your body, adjust pressure, and massage you in 15 to 30 minutes. And yes, a flying taxi. Pretty wild, right? CityHawk is a compact aircraft that can take off and land straight up, so it does not need a runway. It uses quiet, ducted fans, can carry up to 6 people, and includes strong safety features. It is also being developed with hydrogen fuel cells for faster travel.